Everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'll be talking about a very interesting topic. That's enhanced profile list view. You may not find this option on the trailhead. I try to figure out myself. This option is very handy. I will give you the context why you can use this option. Before we dive into that option, let me show you how our current profile list view looks like. Right, the way you get into the profile by typing profile under quick find under setup. So go to profiles, and you can see you have uh, information, very basic information about profile, right? That's profile name, user license, and if it's a custom or not based on the checkbox, right? So to find out that object settings, right, a CRUD write setting on a different objects, you have to drill down to individual profiles, say custom sysadmin, for instance, and I have to go to object settings. Then I have to, to navigate here to find out different object permission, right? That's the only option I have at this point of time based on my current view, right? And this can be handy and as well as annoying at the same time. So for instance, if you have only one profile, then yeah, it's fine. Then you can drill down to this profile to individual objects and change it. But still, it involves a lot of user clicks, not really user friendly, because some of the users may find it very intimidating to have 5-6 different clicks. It's not really very user friendly, right? I mean, let's accept the fact. And another scenario why you may find it challenging, I'll give you one of my recent experience. So I've been doing an integration of one of our product, which is built on Salesforce with an external system, right? Using our APIs. So they were consuming Salesforce APIs. So I exposed the APIs based on manage app settings and so I will talk about in detail when we talk about APIs, but just to give you a context. So I gave them my few data set to try, but they got back to me and said, look, it's not working. I'm like, that doesn't make sense because I tested this on Postman. Why it's not working on it? And then I figured out their profile, right? Because they are integration users, right? And they have multiple users belonging to different profiles, and not every profile will have equal access to every object, right? So their objects, say for instance, contact and accounts, just give you a context, right? They do not have CRUD, or complete CRUD access, means they do not have edit access or create access. So when they try to push the data using our API, it failed, obviously, because whatever reason it is, right? So I have to go back to each and every individual profile to figure out their object permission settings. It was not fun, right? I mean, it's a nightmare, because imagine if you have 50 profiles, you have to. So the way I did, to make my life easier, is to create an enhanced profile list view. So the way you do it. So let's go back to profiles again. It's a very handy feature. You won't find this information trailer. Yeah, you can find on YouTube and other videos. So I'm just giving you a real life scenario where it's useful. So go to create new view, yeah, and so there's already custom profile, say, right, and settings. So what I want to see a criteria where I wanted to pull out all the profile which has a custom name next to it, right? So let's say profile name. I insert this criteria. Starts with custom, probably. Sorry. Okay, that's right. Sometimes keyboards are funny. Okay, sorry, I digress. Okay, let's pull in object permissions, right? So what I wanted to see CRUD write on accounts. So create, edit, delete, and CRUD write on contacts. Where is this bad boy? Somewhere down the line. Okay, here you are. Okay, read, and probably we will include opportunity as well. Might as well, right? Okay, there you are. Opportunities, right? Okay, so I'll move it here. Yeah, I think I have pretty fairly. I do not want a profile. Yeah, okay. So now I will save this, right? Okay, now that's the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. So let's go to all profile. Let's choose custom profile. There you are. See, handy. Now I can see what this profile, each profile, account, objects, or contact object, or opportunity object CRUD rights are, right? I can see all this profile has read access on account, read access on contact, read access on opportunity, but there is no delete access on this custom sysadmin. Let's say I do not want a delete access on contact on any of this profile. So you must be thinking, oh, I have to go dive into each and every profile and do that right now. You can do that from here itself, the way you do it here. Just double click here and contact detail, and sorry, just a second. Let me select here. And right, so now I just wanted to disable delete access on all of it. So go here and I tick all the 4. Will take some time. There you go. So delete access has been removed. So this option is very, very handy and friendly. It saves you time, and you can have a better view on different object opportunity, or different object access, CRUD access, right? You can add other stuff as well. You can add user permissions. It's up to you. It depends what you wanted to see. So Salesforce made it very easier to view profiles and modify the stuff on the list view. And I find these options pretty useful, and it actually saves my day, basically. You know, imagine you have like hundreds of profiles here, right? And imagine going to each and every profile to test the settings. It's a nightmare, and it's highly prone to mistakes as well, right? So this saves the day. So yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. So I thought I will share with you guys the tricks and tips around the profiles, because I've been doing a lot of profile things lately as a part of my integration exercise. We'll talk about integration. That's a pretty advanced topic because integration involves outbound and inbound APIs. You can use SOAP as well. So I will be covering in future lessons. So currently I wanted to make sure you guys understand security, workflows, flows, process builders, because these are the basic building blocks of Salesforce, and it's very critical to understand it. Okay, sorry, I digress. It's just, okay. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.